All right, so I wanted to show you guys this Walipini that I am trying to create. A Walipini is like an underground or sunk in greenhouse. And what I originally, this area right here was for like a lifted up platform, and I had our yurt on top of it, but the wood started to rot after about 2 years, and so I just took, well, the plywood rotted after about 2 years, so I took that off. We weren't using the yurt anymore, so we have a building up now, and I kept some of these logs that were part of the frame. You can see how big the frame is here. These are almost like, I would say 12 foot long. But I kept this frame here because what I want to do is I want to dig this down, and I want to make 4 distinct sections for this Walipini. And they might be at different levels because I want to kind of try and test and gauge, you know, how high I can grow things. If I were to grow like a tree or something in here, or like a bush or something like that. So I kind of want to gauge that and test how high I can actually grow these things up, and how hot it gets from being lower down to higher up. But the idea is I have this right here as the back of the Walipini. These are the sides. Obviously this is the opening right here, and so it should be at a slope. Right now I'm about 5, maybe like at the lowest down here, maybe like 5.5 to 6 feet. But there's going to be a slope, so it's going to start at the back. I'm going to have one thick clear sheet of plastic, and it's going to go from the back here, and it's going to slope up, and it's going to reach the top right here and connect. And I'm going to cover, so what I'm trying to do with this dirt pile right here and this dirt pile right here is get it high enough to where it's above the frame. And the frame is, this is just I can't think of the word now. I use it all the time. These are just pallets, wooden pallets, and I've lined it just so that the sand doesn't cave in, and I've used these to kind of help border it as well. But there is plywood, and I've sunk these in a little bit. I maybe dug in 6 inches or so and just kind of planted them in there, and then buried it. And what I'm trying to do is get enough sand over it, a mound over it, so that when I decide that I want to put the plastic on, the plastic's not going to be hitting any of these hard edges. It's just going to be hitting soft sand. You can tell our soil is really loamy, so it'll be pretty easy on the plastic, I think. And I'm just going to build these up to where it covers all this, covers the top, and then I'm going to lay a sheet of plastic over it, and hopefully that'll seal it in. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this opening here yet, but that's the general idea right now. So I'm trying to get really deep in here, and after about 5 feet, 4.5 to 5 feet, I've noticed that I actually have clay. So I've been using a lot of this clay for my cob projects, and I kind of want to just keep digging deeper because your Walipini does need a cold sink. So it's definitely a project. It's definitely been a lot of work, but that is just, I guess, going to be video 1, and I'll keep doing updates as I further along this project. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys my Walipini, the idea for it, and hopefully keep giving you updates.